Hey guys, so I'm gonna switch out my wheels and figured, I don't know, I'll film it up and see what happens with it. But yeah, so this board here, it's a day one double impact, pretty strong board. It's pretty resilient. It has really good pop to it, definitely good pop. And I got the Avenue skate trucks here, the suspension trucks, and I really dig these things. I really like them. They are awesome. I mean, yeah, the older you get, the worse it is on your ankles and your feet and stuff like that. I mean, it's just your body. It's what happens. So, and these just make it so much more possible to skate for me. I don't know. I really like them. I mean, I used to be into Grind Kings. They were my favorite trucks for a while. But these are sneaking right up on them. I'm really starting to dig these. But anyway, I am gonna switch out my wheels, and I got new bearings too, because these are pretty old bearings. I could probably clean them up, get them going again, but I don't know. I'm gonna try these out. They were recommended to me today, and got some 53 Mullen wheels here. These are Bones Street Tech Formula, and I'm gonna see how these work. So, and I got a real sticker this time. Awesome. Alright. Open this up. There we go. And, ooh, real sticker too. Nice. Always love getting real stickers. Okay, we got some orange ones. Look pretty nice. Okay. So I'm going to take this old one off quick. These are still good. Probably use them for something else. I might have to clean up the bearings. As you can hear, they're kind of dry, making that kind of squeaky dry noise. So they could be cleaned and re-oiled. Still good. But gonna put new ones on. So this is how I do it. Doesn't look like there's a front or back to these, so it doesn't matter. Put that in there. We have these spacers. I always try to use these spacers. I don't know, they seem to make the bearings last longer for me. So, press that on, put that sucker in there. Alright, that works. Press it on, nice. Definitely quiet. Very nice. Alright. Another one. Alright, so I'm going to give these a quick try and see how they work over here on the ramp. See where we're going to put you this time. Alright. Yeah, you can see pretty good. These nice and quiet, a little bit faster. They work pretty well with these trucks too. Definitely faster. Pretty smooth too. Wow. So I think I like them. Definitely nice wheels. They're gonna be fun outside. That's where I really want to try these, out on the grounds. I want to start working on more of the tricks I used to be, you know, kind of good at, but the ones that were really fun. Really used to love doing rail slides. Can't wait to start trying those again. Yeah. Well, probably do some more videos, so if you want to see that stuff, just tune in or subscribe, and I thank you very much for watching. See you later, guys.